I wait for something like this, guys, impulse, and then a stronger pullback, guys, and then impulse. Okay, then obviously it's going to complete what, guys, a trader structure, and then for a short position. So this kind of rejections, guys, actually I don't like to use it as my confirmation, but then it's an inflection point. That's a fact, guys. It's one of the inflection points on the 15-minute time frame. Definitely on the 1 hour they won't be available. Okay, but then let's start. Okay, we reached our value area. Okay, we break aggressive and we close. Okay, and then we close. Yeah, so let me see, guys, if this trade is good to take or not. Okay, so the first risk, guys, okay, we reached 50%, and then we completed a trader structure. And then let me look at the time. It's 7 in the morning, guys. So yeah, definitely at this time I'm awake, guys. So the only risk we have on this one is that we have an inflection point above the structure. So this is the only risk, guys. This is the only risk. But then because I'm up 63 rand, definitely I can afford it. I can afford this one, guys. You get it? So I'm going to take the short position right there. Stop loss above that inflection point, guys. Above that inflection point. Okay, yeah. And then for take profit, you know I don't use take profit. I don't use take profit, guys. Okay, so I'm just going to remove. Yeah, still risking 200 USD. Okay, let's start, guys. Let's start on the 1 hour time frame. If there's a week, okay. This is the risk, guys. So we have two risks. First, it's our value area, and then second, it's a week on the 1 hour time frame. So what we do in this scenario, guys, what I do actually on this scenario, I'm still gonna take the trade, guys. You know why? Because I afford it. I'm not in drawdown. Okay, I can afford this kind of trades. So let's see, guys, if it's a loss, and then it's a loss. Okay, yeah, as you can see, we move, guys. Okay, then yeah, move my stop loss to break even. Okay, we close the week, but then we are not. Oh, wait, let me see. Now we didn't reach an inflection point. So right here, guys, I'm just going to log a little bit. You get it? Just move my stop loss to break even, in fact, because this is not a break even. It's a break even there, but then it's not my break even, guys. My break even, it's something like this. Yeah, this is my break even, guys. You got it? Those 200 USD, they add up, guys. Those 20 USD, guys, and those 30 USD, they add up, you know. So okay, yep. And then as you can see, guys, this is how I manage the trade, guys. Okay, I wait for price to impulse right after taking an entry, and then pull back, impulse, break the low, and then obviously I'm going to trade my stop loss right there. For what, guys? For price, to wait for price to come to form maybe a structure, retrace that previous low, and then impulse. Kanjalo, guys, though I reach my target. You got it? So currently just going to move my stop loss level right here. And obviously, you know why I'm being aggressive, guys, because price reached towards a inflection point. Okay, so currently logged 1.7%. Got it? So let's see. Okay, price took me out. Nice trade. Let me log it and then hide it. Okay, hide. Yeah. So currently, okay, you know what this is, guys. This is a structure, guys. This is a structure, guys, a continuation pattern, but then it's poor in position, guys. I'm still looking for shorts, but then I might buy also right here, guys. But let's see the confirmations. You know, we wait for 2 to 3 candlesticks. Okay, and then as you can see 3 candlesticks, and then we have this pullback. But then the red flag about this one is that we had a week on the H1 time frame. Okay, so let me remove this, guys. We no longer need it. Okay, we reached 50%. Okay, and then definitely, guys, we have a structure. We have this kind of structure. It's a structure, expanding channel, one of my favorites. And then the only risk, guys, is that we had a week on the 1 hour time frame. But because I can afford this one, guys, I will take it. You carry it. I will take this long position. As you can see, we have our inflection point right here. We rejected, and then where is this? Yeah, long position right there, and then stop loss above that, below that week. Okay, and then for TP, you know, we don't do TP. still risking 200. Yeah, right. Okay, then place the order. Okay, let's see how it plays out, guys. Did it take me in? Yeah, not yet, guys. So obviously this one is invalidated, guys. This one is invalidated. Why? Because it's failed, guys. It failed. It's a failed structure, guys. Okay, it's a failed structure because it was supposed to like impulse and then break this high, but then it impulsed, came back, impulsed, almost take us in, and then as you can see, and I don't like to trade this kind of structures, guys, whereby I cut off the wicks. No, I don't trade this kind of structures. So therefore I'm just going to remove this analysis right there. Okay, and then let's start, guys, let's start. Okay, you know what I'm seeing right now? I'm seeing this kind of structure, guys. I'm seeing this kind of structure, but then I won't trade this structure alone, guys, because it's higher in risk, guys, because of the position. Okay, because of the position. If this price action right here was maybe right there, guys, right there, definitely but then because of its being here, guys, on this inflection point, it carries a lot of risk. You got it. So I ain't gonna entertain this one, but then I'm going to wait for what, guys, the insurance entry, whereby we have our impulse and then our first correction, guys, maybe only 15 on the 5-minute time frame to take this one short, guys. And then if we don't receive that correction, and then I'm gonna let it slide. You got it. We don't chase, guys. Okay, as you can see, we invalidate the structure, by the way, but then still looking for short position, guys. Still looking for short positions on gold. Still looking for short positions on gold, and I ain't trying to make this video too long, guys. Okay, so there will be part 1 and part 2. You got it. So as you can see, we are having our spending channel. And then let me see, guys, from the impulse to the low. Okay, we did reach 50% of the impulse, and then it's a two-touch structure, and then we have a young inflection point above. Okay, let me wait for price to fill the wick. Now, okay, I did fill the wick, and then it closed. So yeah, man, this is the structure, guys. This is the structure, nice structure, by the way. And then we have this pattern right here, guys. Okay, so yeah, going to take this one, guys, short position, and then stop loss above that inflection point right there. Okay, so let's start it. But this might be a loss, guys. This might be a loss, I have a feeling, but then it is what it is, you know. Why am I gonna TP and I'm gonna stop loss, man? No stop loss, no take profit, man. Yeah, and then there you go. Okay, wait, let me see the time first. So it's 7 in the morning, so yeah, I'm still awake. Okay, and then yeah. This completed, guys, was a three-touch structure, guys. This is a three-touch structure because of that inflection point right there. You got it. So okay, so I'm just going to place the entry, guys, above. Okay, wait, let me just wait for a strong close first. Strong close on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, not yet. There you go. But then impulse kakhulu, guys. But then yeah, still I can't afford this one, guys. So definitely I'm taking it. And then the time, it's 11 in the morning. So yeah, definitely taking this one, guys. Okay, we take in, didn't move. Okay, pull back, and then impulse. Okay, this was the correction, by the way, guys. This was the correction. Yeah, as you can tell, but then we didn't receive our third touch, so it's a two-touch structure. It's a two-touch structure, guys, this correction. So yeah, let's go to the 1 hour time frame for management. Obvious. So yeah, guys, as you can see, we moved and we're about to break this low right here. And actually we did break this low, so definitely moving my stop loss to break even, guys. Moving the stop loss to break even. Okay, so let's start pull back and keeper. Okay, so let me just reanalyze, guys, because mango kanji is on head, you know. So yeah, let me just reanalyze. Ooh. damn. But it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. Still waiting for a correction, guys. Going short. Naganjani, guys. Naganjani. Let's start. Okay, let me check from the impulse to the low. Okay, we reached 50%. But then this is not a structure, man. Yo. This is not a good structure, guys. It's a structure, but then I don't like to treat this kind of reversal pattern, guys. Why? Because we had the impulse. Okay, correction meets a value area, but then this is not my structures, guys. I don't like to trade this structure, so I'm gonna let this one slide, guys. Okay, so let me check AU 200, guys. Maybe it's making a little bit progress. Zoom into the H4 time frame. So as you can see, we failed. Okay, and then we break, yeah, which is a good thing. We impulse, so we might create a head and a shoulder, guys. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so I'm on the H4 time frame. Let's go to the 1 hour. Okay, on the 1 hour we have this kind of structure, guys, our two-touch structure. Okay, and then we impulsed, guys. We impulsed, but then the week on the value area, it's a red flag, guys. Okay, but then we had the impulse, and then if we receive maybe a three-touch structure on the 15 minutes, which we did receive a three-touch structure, but a week, another week again. So yeah, but then I'm taking this one. Why? Because AU 200 value, if I hang my weeks, guys, it always have a weeks. As you can see, week always, and the 9 out of 10, the weeks are not being filled. You get it? The weeks are not being filled. So I take this one, guys. Let me tap the time. The time it's 1 o'clock. So definitely I'm taking this one, guys. And then stop loss above the structure, and then no take profit. No take profit, guys. Yep. Let's go. Okay, tagged in. Okay. Oh. Yeah, okay, then move my stop loss to break even, guys. See how powerful it is, guys. See how powerful it is. Okay, so the inflection point, we break this inflection point. So the other inflection point is that one right there. And definitely when you see, guys, when you see this kind of price action whereby we have this gap, 9 out of 10, guys, price fill that gap also. We got it, and maybe meet the value areas, the inflection point. Got it. And another major inflection point, guys, is this one. Why? Because we have this correction, guys. The volume was built right there, we impulse, and then we had another inflection point, guys, which was created by this correction right there. You got it. So yeah, man, let me move my stop loss to break even, guys. A proper break even, you know. Man. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Pull back, impulse. Okay, so I'm about to log in a little bit. Yeah, and I know I'm waiting for a correction, guys, in game, but then you might not have that correction. Okay, yeah, as you can see, guys, another reason why is because we have this week. You got it. We have this week. This is a reversal candlestick, but then yeah, it is what it is, guys. A nice entry, 1.2 logged in, and then let me just log it and then hide it. Okay, so yeah, guys, there will be part 2 definitely. And then yeah, as you can see, up 400 USD, guys, on a 1K account, guys. Okay, so there will be part 2, guys. I will be cooking part 2 soon. Okay, I don't want to make this video too long. Look at it. So, and if you want to learn more obviously about the strategy, guys, about the hook points, how I identify the hook points, how to enter the markets, guys, which candlesticks to look at, okay, check out this video on the screen, guys. Be sure to subscribe, be sure to hit that notification bell so that you will be notified when I drop some new content. So for now, it's your mentor signing out.